Judges must remember that Section 56(I) of the Maharashtra Rent Control Act, 1999, explicitly protects tenants from being evicted without fair compensation. Ignoring this provision violates the very purpose of the law. Evicted tenants, who are often financially vulnerable, deserve protection against unjust outcomes. Reminder: the judiciary exists to safeguard the rights of the weaker party, not to perpetuate their exploitation. When Section 56(I) is disregarded, it casts doubt on the judiciary's commitment to impartiality and fairness. This compromises the integrity of the institution and erodes public trust. Reminder: a judiciary that disregards statutory provisions risks being perceived as partial or complicit in injustice. The Maharashtra Rent Control Act was designed to balance the rights of landlords and tenants, particularly ensuring tenants are not left at the mercy of unscrupulous landlords. Disregarding the compensation clause directly opposes this intent. Reminder: judicial decisions must align with the spirit of the law to protect those the legislature intended to shield. Eviction without compensation often forces tenants into financial ruin, depriving them of basic housing rights and stability. Such outcomes widen socio-economic gaps and leave tenants vulnerable. Reminder: judges have a moral and legal duty to prevent systemic injustices and promote equity in their rulings. Section 56, subsection I, unequivocally states that landlords must pay fair market value compensation for premises taken for bona fide purposes. Allowing landlords to bypass this responsibility sets a dangerous precedent. Reminder: upholding legal obligations ensures justice and deters the misuse of judicial processes. By not scrutinizing cases where landlords approach the court with unclean hands, such as deliberately undervaluing properties or concealing material facts, judges inadvertently validate unethical practices. Reminder: the judiciary must act as a gatekeeper against the abuse of legal provisions to prevent harm to innocent parties. A judgment is not inherently just. It must be rooted in equity and fairness. Delivering judgments that prioritize procedural closure over substantive justice is a disservice to the affected tenants. Reminder: justice is not a formality, but a commitment to fairness and humanity in every decision. Judges should introspect whether their decisions reflect their constitutional and legal obligations. Accountability demands that every judgment withstand scrutiny, particularly when the rights of marginalized individuals are at stake. Reminder: judicial accountability is essential to uphold public faith in the system and deliver decisions aligned with the law's intent. The judiciary is the last line of defense for the common citizen. Overlooking tenants' rights under Section 56, subsection I, betrays this responsibility. Judges must act as custodians of justice by ensuring fair compensation and protecting tenants from undue hardships. The law demands it, and the people deserve it.